हे चडशे कितें केला आमचे पंचायतीन इन्कम सर्टिफिकेट रेजिडंट सर्टिफिकेट एक व्हरपाक येतात फॉर्मां आसना म्हणजे कितें भरूंक जाय तें आसना हांव मागीर तांकां सांगता हालां वसा फॉर्मां घेयात नाजाल्यार मामलेदारान वसा डेक्लेरेशन हें करात. Everything is there. The resident certificate form, the declaration. If it is meant to be operated on a laptop or a computer, but otherwise you all can even view it on your mobile. The panchayatin resolution pass करतली. Everything will be there. आणि तितलो मुख्य म्हणटा तो आमचो केशव माली आणि महेश परब. ते आमकां last 5 years, this year also, they are giving us free watermelon seeds. बेश्टे दिवन वचना. They see that they plant them. म्हळ्यार ते बियो लायतात आणि मागीर फर्टिलायझर दितात आणि तयार जाव पासून तांकां तेंचे आफ्टर सेल सर्व्हिस म्हणटा पळय तो
institution to come in parallel. We will take everybody in confidence. If everybody says yes, then I will bring that institution. It will not only help us, but it will help a lot of people from Goa to get a degree. We want to put up an institute of hotel management over here. It's just a proposal, but we have land for that. But if people of Parra agree, seriously, I was on agriculture kon gena goya, because they say that there is no money in that. There is no revenue coming inside. My sir, kuitari ami revenue generation कशें जातले. One person who wants to take up agriculture as his business, how he can make money on that? Government will have to show this first. Then only people will change their mindset. And शिकलेली भुरगी, graduates will come into this business.
Video journalist Prakash Garikar from Mapsa for HCN.